This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 17-inch wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, external temperature display, and this vehicle has fewer than 43,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.